Meaning of grandstanding.
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 Grandstanding. Grandstanding refers to the act of deliberately seeking attention or admiration from others, often through dramatic and unnecessary means. It can involve showboating, self-promotion, or acting in a way that is intended to gain approval or praise. The term is often used in a negative context to criticize someone's behavior as being more focused on personal gain than on achieving a particular goal or outcome. Ultimately, grandstanding can be counterproductive, as it may undermine trust, credibility, and the ability to build genuine relationships with others.